afternoon, guys. It's Bjorn again. This time presenting New Zealand's finest lamb tenderloin, grass-fed, free range. We're going to use this and we're going to do a pie dish. Talk about this for a minute. I know so many people who say, oh, I like the lamb from this place because it doesn't taste like lamb. Why do you want to do that? Eat lamb because you love the flavor of lamb. Now we don't want to cut it down straight this way because the cross section is very small. So what we want to do is cut it like that. Okay? Get nice long slices. What we want to do is get a bit of marinade on this. Just very quickly. So we're going to pound this in the order of how fine we want this to be. So we want the garlic to be the finest in this, so we're going to start by putting that in first, very lightly. Okay, we don't want to crush it. We don't want to pulverize it. See this? So you just want to make sure that you mix your sauces in the bowl first. You don't want to be messing around with seasonings in the pan while this thing continues to cook. And we've got this amazing herb. This is called the holy basil. The correct basil to be using in this sort of dish, not the continental basil. We're going to add a bit of oil in. Our pan, as you can see, is smoking hot. You want it to be really that hot because you want to sear the meat, not boil the meat. For the most part, we just want to leave it alone. You don't want to keep messing with it. You want it to develop a nice crust. And we will start to cook off our aromatics, shallots, the long beans, and the sauce. That's it. We're going to move it one side. What I like to do is baste the egg. If I got a spoon, I like to baste the egg with the oil. Some nice steamed rice, long grain rice. We're going to take this lamb, pop it down on the plate. Made with New Zealand Pure South lamb tenderloin.